Hello world, this is Melanie again presenting you my project number 2 titled Commerce, and it's from CS50's web programming. I had to create an e-commerce website kind of like eBay. So let me show you around. The first thing that I had to do was to create some models, and I had to make sure that I included a bids model, a comments model, and a listings model. So let's go to the real site that everybody can see. But let's log out as an admin. I'm gonna log in as a regular user. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is create a listing by clicking on this link. And let's create a listing of my dog. I'm gonna call her Stormy because she looks like a little stormtrooper. She is a 6-year-old Dalmatian, and she is up to date with all her shots. Let's start the bidding at $100 and choose a picture of her because she's so cute. I'm not gonna select a category because that's optional. Once we click on submit, we're at this active listings page where we can see all the listings that are available for bidding. And you can see that our page has been added to this list. If you're interested in seeing a listing, all you have to do is click on it, and you can do a bunch of things from this page. For example, you can add it to your watch list by clicking on this button. If you don't want it, you just click on it again. You can add a bid to the listing, but you have to make sure that your bidding value is less than the current price. For example, if I put $23 and I click on submit, I will get this error message. So let's do it for real. Let's put $30. And as you can see, the website updates the current price with our bidding value. You can also add a comment to this page by adding it here. I love the colors. And if you click on submit comment, it's gonna show it at the bottom here, and everybody will be able to see it. If you click on this link back to active listings, you're taken back to this main page. And if you have a listing that you want to close, you just go to it. I was able to create this listing earlier, as you can see, listed by Melanie. And if you scroll down, you will see this large red button that you can click on, close listing, and it'll take the listing to this closed listing page. As you can see, no winner has been written down here because we didn't win the item. Only the winner of the item can see that they won it. I was able to win this one, and that's why you're able to see winner of listing, Melanie. The other thing that I had to do was to create a watch list page. So let's go to it by clicking on the link above. You can see all of the items that you were interested that you put in your watch list from this page. If we click on them, on any of them, you are taken to that active listing page. And this one doesn't have a picture because the user decided not to include it on the page. Another thing that I had to do was to create a categories page. And this page just shows all the categories that are available to choose from. Each of them has a number written beside them, and it shows how many listings are under that category. For example, toys, there are 2 listings under that category. The last thing that I have to tell you about is the administrators page. And basically, they are able to do whatever they want from this page. And only the administrator can go here. So as you can see, we have all our models. We just have to click on a model. And if the administrator wants to see a listing, they just click on it to view it. If the administrator wants to place a bid, all he or she has to do is fill in the information and choose a bidder and save. If the administrator wants to edit a comment, he or she can by editing. And if the administrator wants to delete anything like a listing, he or she can do it by going here, clicking on go. Yes, I'm sure. And it has been deleted. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. Have a great day.